Understanding street address, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, street address. Understanding this term is essential for everyday situations, like filling out forms or navigating a new city. Let's dive in and learn all about it. A street address refers to the specific location of a building or property within a city or town. It typically includes three main parts. 1. The number. This is the unique number assigned to a building. It helps in identifying the specific location on a street. 2. The street name. This is the name of the road or street where the building is located. 3. Additional details. Sometimes, a street address may include an apartment or suite number, especially in larger buildings. For example, 123 Maple Street, Apartment 2. Understanding and using a street address correctly is crucial for receiving mail. It ensures that letters and packages reach the correct destination. Navigation helps in finding specific locations using maps or GPS. Emergency services allows services like ambulances or fire brigades to locate people quickly in emergencies. When you need to provide your street address, follow these steps. 1. Write clearly. Ensure that the numbers and street names are legible. 2. Include all parts. Don't forget any part of the address, like apartment numbers. 3. Verify the address. If unsure, double-check your address to avoid mistakes. Street addresses can vary globally. For instance, in some countries, the format might be different, or additional details like the district or postal code might be required. Always check the local format when you are in a new country. Understanding what a street address is and how to use it correctly is a valuable skill. We hope this video has made the concept clear and will help you in your everyday life. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.